In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing, okay, very simply and easily. This by far is going to be probably one of the fastest ways for you to actually do this if you're serious about making money with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to get right into this. We're talking about affiliate marketing, okay, and with this, we're just going to make it a little bit bigger, right, so you guys can see. And I'm basically going to explain how you're going to be able to make, and this is going to suck, your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. You should do this. You should follow this because there's a lot of people talking about a lot of different ways to do affiliate marketing. But in my opinion, in what I found to be best recently, what's working currently the fastest is what I'm going to actually explain as you keep watching this video here, right? So let's get into this, right? So one thing I want to write out here, all right, you see this word free, okay? You see it? Okay, let me just change this color real quick. Okay, why did I X out free? Okay, because it used to be where, you know, if you wanted to come in affiliate marketing, you could actually do well with doing, you know, like getting into a free affiliate marketing program, marketing it, and doing pretty well. You know, these are the types of systems that are like, you know, you start promoting the heck out of it and you're attracting people by offering some kind of free information or free guide or whatever in exchange for their email address, right? In hopes that they go through it and then, you know, whatever system you're promoting, they upgrade, right? This is not the fastest way to get to making your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing and then on from there. Unless you're doing something like CPA marketing, this is the only thing I still will stand by. If you're going to do something that's free when it comes to affiliate marketing that you can make a lot of money with, you want to find like a CPA offer. And basically what this is cost per action, right? And this is still something I'm not really recommending on this particular video because right now the way you kill it with a CPA offer is you have to run some paid ads behind CPA offers. These are sites, affiliate programs that will pay you to bring them leads. But we're not doing this because the thing is, the people who are making a lot of money with CPA offers, they're spending a lot of money in paid ads. So I'm not even really talking about this. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of erase CPA, right? So the thing that gets you a little bit closer to making your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing, right, is kind of, right, I'm just going to put it like this, and I have really bad, this is where I don't really do this on this whiteboard thing, it's kind of weird. Something mid-ticket. Mid-ticket's like anywhere from, I don't know, 100, you know, to $300. So we're getting a little bit closer to, right, being able to get set up with something that can help us get our first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. What you really want to aim for, I'm going to go ahead and switch this out, is, right, high ticket. Okay, what is like a high ticket opportunity? Anything $500 and up. Okay, now this was something, if you guys have been, you know, listen, for you, if you're new watching me, you know, this is going to be new, you know, great information for you. If you've been following for a while, you know that I've been on this train. This is like a recent thing for me. For the longest time, I was against high ticket. I didn't think you really needed it. The things I've noticed in the past year to do very well to really get anybody, I don't care if you don't have a lot of experience, don't have a lot of technical ability, it's this right here, mid to high ticket. High ticket is where you really want to be, especially if you're new. And I'm going to go ahead and explain why. So let me go ahead and erase a lot of this, okay, really quick. These opportunities over here are like a dime or a dozen, okay? They're everywhere. This is so hard to write on, but you know what? I'm doing my best. They're somewhat saturated, okay? You go on any platform, you type in affiliate marketing, like probably over, you know, 90% of the people that you see posting, sharing, you know, trying to get people into a business, it's going to be low ticket, it's going to be, or something free or whatever. The goal of any kind of online business is not just to make money, but you want to make consistent money. And with this right here, you're going to often see, okay, your income go like this. And the reason why is because whatever, you know, the masses are attracted to, That's kind of something you want to steer away from. And the reason why is because these types of offers right here literally are fast to blow up, but they're like the fastest to fall as well. You obviously want this to be consistent. If you're somebody wanting to make this full time or do this stuff full time, it needs to be consistent. And I know this is a video where I'm just talking about making your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing, but if you really pay attention to this, what I'm saying in this video, this is going to be one of the secrets you're going to have in your arsenal to be able to make consistent income, money you can literally count on coming into your bank account literally every week, every month. Okay. And this is something I was slow to learn. Don't be slow to learn this like I was. While I was a little bit deceived by some of the results I got with doing this because I did pretty well. But I will tell you, it's a night and day difference going to something high ticket. Okay, on this side, I put few, but quality. Basically what this means is you're going to be able to attract a certain audience that, yeah, it's not going to be everybody, right? Because the masses of people love free and masses of people love cheap, which is great. Everybody does. I even do. But when it comes to something as serious as, getting your finances right, this is something you want quality information on, and you want to attract a quality type of client. And this is pretty much in any business, not just affiliate marketing, like if you want to, if you're in the weight loss niche and you're like a coach, you want to attract the highest quality type of person that's willing to spend money and understands why they have to spend money in the first place, right? And again, this is something I didn't believe for the longest time. I was very slow to learn this, and it probably cost me thousands of dollars extra in, per month. But like I said, I've done well with affiliate marketing, full time 6 years, for the last 6 years. And I'm really, really seeing the big picture with high ticket stuff, mid to high ticket affiliate marketing. You know what? Let me just do it like this. So like, let's say, I don't know, starting off, you want to make $3,000 extra a month with affiliate marketing. That's something very doable. Okay. $3,000 a month. Guys, if you're not on your way to literally making $3,000 extra a month in like a little after your first 90 days with affiliate marketing, something's wrong. So if you've got something high ticket, let's say something's like $1,000 just to make it easy, right? And obviously you've got, right? It's $1,000. It's the cost of your product, and it has to be quality, right? All you need is literally 3 people a month to buy something from you. That's $1,000, and you've already made your 3K, right? 3K, boom, just like that. And you think, well, it's probably a little bit harder to sell something $1,000, or even more than that. Guys, let me tell you how hard it's not. Like there are some people who like really have tapped into affiliate, high ticket affiliate marketing. And if you think like promoting something $500 or even $1,000 a little bit tough, like, or scary, there are people that won't even touch like an $1,000 affiliate marketing system. Like they're going for like $5,000 or more. Like that's the only ones they'll touch. So, and people are doing it left and right. You have to realize there's so many people in this space that we haven't reached. And there's a lot of people that, there's a certain mindset this type of person has. They're just like, they want everything for free. They're just trying to test it out. They're not really that serious. The person who you're going to be attracting on this particular side of affiliate marketing, they are ready to freaking go. They believe in themselves, in whatever niche you have. They're serious people. Let's say you want to make the same $3,000, right? And so let me break this down. Like, let's say you've got like a $20 product here, which is fine. You need literally 150 people a month to hit your $3,000. Okay. That is a big difference. And the reason why, I used to, let me grab this and kind of center this a little bit here. As somebody new coming into affiliate marketing, it's very clear that this seems a little bit more doable if you're new and you're new to traffic generation, things like that, than to actually do this. In fact, let me tell you something. You're more than likely not your first month, your second month in, you're probably not going to have 150 people actually buying a $20 product from you. So that's kind of slow, right? But again, this is about, making your first $1,000. So if you've got obviously a product, okay, that is, like I said, like 500, right? then what? Okay, you need 2 people, right, to actually buy from you, okay, to make $1,000. Now, starting out, the kind of traffic you're going to be getting, this is very doable. And then you have to keep in mind, you're not marketing to the masses of people, at least I hope you don't. If you're doing something high ticket, you do not want to try to sell something high ticket to these type of people right here. It ain't going to work. When somebody is able to win fast with affiliate marketing, I've noticed, the more encouraged, the more motivation they have to get back in there, to keep getting that traffic, to keep scaling and things like that. And so the problem that I've seen that a lot of people are having with, the free to low ticket affiliate marketing offers is they don't win fast enough. And when they do win, for some reason, not that people aren't grateful for the commission, but people don't get excited. I remember when I first made my first commission, online in 2013, I was really excited, it was low ticket. It wasn't like super high ticket, but I didn't know any difference. I just thought it was really crazy. And after having a lot of experience with a lot of people, I realized people don't get excited like I did. So I realized, okay, if people don't get excited about that, what would they get excited about when they made their first sale? Probably a $500 commission, especially since you're in the learning curve. You're taking time out to work on your affiliate marketing business. Yeah. I guess, making a $500 commission or a $1,000 commission for your first sale is a lot better than making $20. So, I get it. So you might say, okay, like, Marissa, that's awesome. But now, like, if you're asking yourself, where do I find, high ticket offers? Okay. Well, I'm going to let you know real quick. And let me just move this out of the way so it doesn't, like, bother everybody. Probably already does. So there is that. You're going to want to stay away from... Man, this is getting worse. ClickBank, you don't really want to go to ClickBank. It's very rare you're going to find a really good high ticket affiliate offer. And then if you do, there's nothing that actually guides you on how to get a lot of sales with a high ticket affiliate offer with ClickBank. Social media. Okay, this is probably kind of a strange place to find them, but either Facebook and YouTube, that's where I find a lot of the high ticket offers that I know are doing well, actually converting and everything like that. You're like, Marissa, like, well, give us an example of what you use. You do not have to actually do this at all, but we got a system here called Funnel Express. Okay, now this is the one that I'm currently using. This is the only one I've found in, forever that I felt comfortable with because it actually provided real value for me that I know many other people can learn from, including people who've never done high ticket affiliate marketing before. There is a link in my video description below you can click on to check it out if you want to. But the reason why I like it is, first off, it's done for, man, this is crazy. Done for you. Okay. Done for you system. This is like one of the first ones I have in mind, literally using their sales funnel they've set up for you. Oftentimes, like, I create my own sales funnels and I still will have one for this one, but the majority of the sales I'm getting is literally from the done for you system that they just have for you once you actually get in. So that's actually really insane. It's like literally one of the first ones that I'm like, this actually seems like it would convert very well without me having to really do anything extra, right? And I love extra. The other reason why I really like Funnel Express is because you get 100% commissions. Okay, 100% commissions. That's rare. Listen, let me tell you something, and I've said this over and over in my training, in these videos, and I'm going to keep saying it until I possibly can't say it anymore, but literally the training is fire. If I could like build a little fire, a little campfire, this is terrible. This is not fire, but hey, look, it's fire. Literally some of the best. That's my fire. Okay. Some of the best training I've seen in many years on exactly what you need to be doing to not only just make a little bit of money with affiliate marketing, but a lot of bit of money in less than 60 days if you're somebody serious. That's one thing I do want to say about high ticket. Before you start getting too excited, I want to warn you really quick, because if you're somebody not serious, if you're somebody that doesn't really believe in yourself, like you think everybody else can make money online, but you can't, maybe high ticket's not going to be for you. Maybe you want to dabble in something else. But if you're somebody that like, you see what I do, you see what other people are doing, you're like, they're nobody special. I know I can do the same thing. I just need to find the thing to channel this with. And if you have that kind of mindset, then I highly encourage you to get into high ticket affiliate marketing. First off, because you're just going to be able to make more money faster, okay, with less time. That's right, with less time. Promoting something high ticket actually takes you less time to do well with. And I want to say, I don't know if this has been doing this on this particular video, but sometimes when my face will screen, my face will kind of freeze. Hopefully it's not doing that. Or if you're like, Mirza, I don't believe what you're saying. I don't care what you're saying. I don't want to do high ticket. Like I said, if you're going to do that, then seriously, I would recommend you find something, find a good CPA offer if you're going to do that, and, you know, run paid ads to that offer. Okay, run paid ads to that offer so you can make some money like that. Like, that's the only thing I can talk about. If you're actually promoting something to the masses of people and it's not CPA, you're going to have a hard time with this. Like I said, they're everywhere. They're somewhat saturated. You can find them just like they're a dime a dozen, basically. And the types of people that are attracted to it are going to sit on your list without actually getting you paid. And you know, you're paying for that. You're paying for sitting ducks, and you don't want that, right? We want to get people that are actually, like I said, high quality and ready to actually pay you for a service you have or for an offer you've got, and there you go. Go on to the link in my video description below to check out Funnel Express, and also you get some emails from me on some bonuses that I have to offer. You can ask me anything in the comment section or respond to any of the emails that you'll get from me. Literally respond to them. I really am a real person behind those emails. You can like literally reply, and I will reply to you back. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if it does in the comments. Talk to you guys later.